Theorem 3.4, theorem of touching circles. If two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their center. The two circles can touch each other internally or externally. These are the circles touching externally, and this is a circle touching internally. This is a circle with center A, and this is another circle with center B. So these two circles touching internally and these two circles touching externally. If we'll join the line of two centers, the line joining their centers. So we are joining the line, we are joining the centers of the two circles, and here also if we'll join this, okay. So we have to prove that if the two circles touch each other, these circles are touching each other externally and internally, their point of contact. So for these two circles, when they touch externally, this is the point of contact, we'll name as C. And when they touch internally, so this is the point of contact C. So this point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. So we have to prove that the point of contact C is lying on the line joining the center. So point C is lying on the line AB, and AB is the line joining the centers of the circle. So it is given two circles with center A and B touch each other at point C. We have to prove that the point C lies on line AB. So we did the construction, draw tangent L at point C. So this is the tangent L that we have drawn at point C, and this is the tangent L. Let line L be the common tangent of two touching circles passing through the point C. So L is the common tangent which are passing through the C and which is common to the two touching circles. Okay. Now according to the tangent theorem, line L is perpendicular, this line L is perpendicular to radius AC, that is seg AC. Okay, so line L is perpendicular to seg AC, that is the tangent theorem. The same way, line L is perpendicular to BC or CB, seg BC. It is also tangent theorem. Now as line L is perpendicular to AC, that means AC is perpendicular to line L and seg BC is also perpendicular to line L. Therefore, seg AC perpendicular to line L and seg BC perpendicular to line L. Therefore, but through the C we can draw only one perpendicular line to line L. Through point C we can draw only one line which is perpendicular to line L. So this is only the one line we can draw perpendicular to the point C. So that means point A, C and B are collinear. They are lying on the same line. Therefore points C, A, B are collinear. Therefore point C lies on line AB. This we have to prove.